Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Boland's Bay, Ontario, a quiet and scenic spot along the southwestern shores of Lake Wanapitei. Surrounded by rugged rock formations, tall pines, and the sparkling blue waters of this ancient crater lake, the area has a peaceful, untouched beauty. The history of Boland's Bay is tied to early settlement and cottage life, with families coming here in the early 1900s to fish, swim, and enjoy the northern outdoors. Over the years, it has remained a popular retreat for those seeking relaxation away from Sudbury's busier pace. In summer, the lake offers clear, refreshing water for boating and swimming, while in winter it transforms into a frozen playground for snowmobiling, skating, and ice fishing. Whether you come to spend time on the water, enjoy the trails, or simply breathe in the crisp northern air, Boland's Bay is a place you'll remember. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Boland's Bay, Ontario.